Hello guys, so in the last tutorial we've learned how to register a component, and the component we registered was a hotel component. So if we go inside of this inside the TypeScript file of this component, we're going to see that this component has a selector, and we said that what uniquely identify a component is this selector. So take note, in our case we have app hotel. So the next thing we're going to do to use this component is simply go inside of this app template, which is our app component here. We are going to go inside of this app template and output it. So here, for example, let's write a horizontal line, for example, and simply write the selector. What was this selector? It was app hotel. So just like that. So when Angular will see this selector, it will replace the content of this with the content of this component. And we know that the component has a template file, a CSS file, and then a TypeScript file. So let's go inside the template of this component and simply output something. So let's put here a paragraph and then write something like I am the hotel component, for example. You can write whatever text you want. So just like that, when the project will compile or when the project will run, so let's check in our browser, and then guys, you can see I am the hotel component. So just like that guys, it was pretty simple. So guys, that is how you, after registering your components, you can use a component by simply inserting the selector as a syntax element in the root folder, like in our case. So guys, thank you for having watched this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we're going to learn how to create components or nested components using the command line interface. Goodbye.